All right, it is 4:45 on this early Wednesday morning, and it's still murky out there.
Oh, yeah. More so than yesterday.
Yeah.
At least on my drive this morning, it was kind of misty and had to use the wipers
Every once in a great while,
right?
It's
not like pouring rain.
No.
We've got a couple of showers out there, which I'll show you in a sec.
But it's thick. The air is thick.
It is. It's very thick. And it's going to take a little longer, I think, today to burn off than yesterday. So, we'll get there. We'll get a little sunshine for you in the afternoon, a little bit for everybody today. So here's a quick look at the satellite, the radar. We are socked in with cloud cover. Most of it's low cloudiness. And we have some scattered showers out there showing up on the radar. I'll take you just northwest of Bangor on up along the Penobscot and Piscataquis County line. You got Charleston, and along Route 15 and 16, you've got some showers kind of moving through this area. And you can see there's some yellow in here, so it's coming down pretty good for a few minutes, but they're moving along, and you won't be in your town too long. Which we all have in common this morning is some fog and that low cloudiness. And what the radar isn't seeing is some mist or some drizzle too. So it's a damp start out there. Our temps are in the mid 60s, Bangor 62, Portland 67. You can see 64 and 5 for Lewiston, Auburn, and Augusta. And they're your dew points, still running rather high in the uncomfortable range. Little less uncomfortable across far northern Maine. There's a very shallow boundary draped right over the state, but most of the real action is offshore and most of the dry air is up to our north. So we haven't seen anything change. We're still in this kind of sticky and tropical almost air mass, and it's going to stay that way for the next couple of days. So this morning, gray and gloomy with mist and some fog and a few of those heavier showers that I showed you on the radar, and they'll be migrating around a little bit. Middle of the day, clouds start to burn off, and we'll see some breaks of blue or at least a little brightening at this point. It's still going to be pretty soupy out there and muggy. And then during the afternoon, like yesterday, I do expect some hazy sunshine, and it's going to feel a sticky warm, not a dry warm. Not until the weekend will we get that. A spotty downpour may pop up like yesterday, but not as widespread for the mountains like we had. High temperatures similar, upper 70s across the south and west. So Portland, you get to 77, Lewiston 78, Freiburg and down to Sanford into the Berwicks, you're closer to 80 degrees. And then as you head into eastern Maine, where it's a little longer to get into some sun, Bangor, Bar Harbor, Calais, lower to mid 70s, and we're also looking at lower 70s across the far north. Tomorrow will be a little bit drier, so I see more sun and also a little warmer. The next chance for some drenching showers and thunderstorms would be Friday afternoon and evening. That front will be progressive, and that means the dry air gets to us on Saturday, and the weekend, all in all, is going to be another really, really good one featuring a lot of sun, comfortable levels of humidity, but still on the warm side, at least upper 70s and probably some lower 80s by Sunday. Marine forecast sees 3 to 4, winds light, and water temp 64 degrees. So here's the 7-day forecast. Again, today we'll start out with clouds, a little sprinkle out there, maybe a shower, and then we'll develop some afternoon sun and could see another pop-up shower later on, upper 70s. Tomorrow's warmer with more sunshine, 80 to 85. Still no relief from the humidity, by the way. Then we get a front to come in Friday afternoon and evening, and some drenching showers and storms are likely for our Friday evening. Over the weekend, we'll turn sunny on Saturday as we dry out. Looks mostly sunny on Sunday, some more good timing for a weekend. Highs near 80 on Sunday, and then early next week, a little warmer. 80 along the coast, low to mid 80s inland, and the humidity returns early next week.
Not saying goodbye to summer just
no
yet.
way.
It's okay with me. Thank you, sir.